So we are back for dinner, and we are at this restaurant. This is kebabs, Indian grill. And Azim bhai super excited है यहाँ आके, right?
I'm very excited. खाएंगे साउथ इंडियन बिरयानी, बोट करी और रोटी.
Oh my god!
ऐसे सोच रहे हैं.
So we have switched the table because that was the corner one, and we have already placed order. तो अभी हम लोग wait कर रहे हैं to get the order and have our dinner. And Azim bhai, so what's the plan after this?
The plan you get it.
Ruhi, what's the plan?
I don't know. Maybe we can look for some place to explore tomorrow.
Bolu.
No idea wherever I take us.
Then again back to Azim bhai. क्या कहाँ जाएंगे अजीम भाई बताइए आप.
We'll search.
So here I'm saying that we are only following Azim Bhai, where he has planned everything out and we're just following him. And I'm just saying that he is going to trick us. He will tell us we are going to LA and we'll sleep in the car, and once we wake up we'll be in Chicago.
Why LA looks like Chicago downtown?
फिर आज से क्या? Chicago आ गए.
Yeah, if he don't say anything, he'll take it back to Chicago. We want to go back to Chicago, but I think कल एक दिन और हम लोग रुक सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
है कोई जगह देखने में.
मेरा लिपस्टिक ऑलरेडी मिट गया है तो इसलिए थोड़ा वियर्ड लग रहा है, so don't mind. तंदूरी चिकन and it smells good and smells like spicy. Azim bhai took care of you. He got you, Ruhi. He got you. Don't worry. It smells so good and masaledar. Like it's like na Chinese garlic chicken type garlic sauce का आ रहा है. This is our next item, which is chili chicken. So that's chili chicken, reshmi kebab, chicken tandoori, different style, and tandoori roti. And more food is coming.
So this is the chicken malai boti that I'm trying here, and to be honest it didn't taste like the authentic chicken malai boti, and either the chicken tandoori tasted or looked like chicken tandoori. I don't know if it was because it's a South Indian restaurant, but it was very different, and this is what we were discussing here right now.
Zubri ka mango lassi.
This is good. Actually,
Chicken fried rice. Looks good. हाँ तो हम बोल रहे थे ना, रेशमी कबाब क्रीमी होना चाहिए, क्रीमी मलाई वाला टाइप. ये कबाब है बट इट्स नॉट रेशमी कबाब. ओके, एंड हियर इज द पेपर फ्राई लैम्ब and is the rice. That lamb smells good, or maybe this smells good. I don't know. Something is smelling really good. This is good. Now I'm going to try this tandoori chicken. Chicken 65 biryani. फ्राइड राइस और चिकन 65 ट्राई कर रही हूँ. नहीं, चिली चिकन. फ्राइड राइस इज गुड. चिली चिकन. Chicken chicken is good too. So they actually serve the tandoori naan with this lamb roti and the kebab. And then we ordered the tandoori roti So I think it's gonna be too much. Now I'm going to try the naan. And bas lily. And there's lamb. So I'm gonna try that now. I'm gonna taste the biryani. This is the chicken 65 biryani. And it's very spicy actually. But it's good. I have to try that because it's very spicy. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my food. I think I've tasted everything in the camera. But finally ending it with chai.
And exactly at this moment, the person who was serving us spilled the tea on me. I mean, literally.
Surprisingly, we have to switch the table again. Yeah. Let's try the gulab jamun, okay? Hot, but good. Very good. So gulab jamun is good, but it's very hot. Very hot. नहीं आप ले लीजिए ये वाला. Ending on a sweet note. Hello everyone, I would say good morning. 2:55 and हम लोग अभी होटल पहुंचे, चेक इन किया है. तो हम आपको सबसे पहले रूम टूर दिखाते हैं. I know I'm looking like crazy, but that is how it is. So this is the entrance of the room, and here is the sink outside the bathroom, which is a good thing. If someone is using the bathroom, I can use the sink. And here is the open closet. The good thing is that they have given us this iron, and with that they have also given us this iron board, which is a really good thing. I really like it. And again, here is a full length mirror. It is pretty much same as the last hotel that we stayed in. So here are 2 queen size beds, and then again here, like I said, the full length mirror, which I like a lot. And then here is the TV, microwave, fridge. So yeah, and then here is the study desk. We are not going to use it. We're just gonna sleep and then check out at 11 in the morning. And yeah, here are some coffee, which again we are not going to use. And unlike the last hotel, they haven't put anything that says it has been cleaned or sanitized. If you remember, in the last hotel they had something on the door and then on the remote, but here nothing is here. So yeah, anyways, so here is the coffee, which we are not going to use. Again, we are going to sleep and then wake up and check out from here. It took us a lot of time to reach here because it was snowing heavily on the road. And here's the window, and you can only see the parking area. Oh yeah, so that's it. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you guys in kal, because I have to sleep, and we have to you know, leave the hotel by 11 o'clock, so we don't have much time. It's already 3 o'clock, and by the time we will sleep, it's gonna be 4 in the morning, and we have to check out by 11, so we have to go to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.